Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. I am Lloyd from Nagar branch. In this class, I will tell you types of dimensions. Like there are 8 types of dimensions, like linear, aligned, angular, arc length, radius, diameter, ordinate, and last one geometry. In this class, I will tell you linear, aligned, and angular dimensions. And first, we draw or we take a simple drawing like this. 120. Again, I will take next point 80. Then tab 50 degree. Enter. Again, ortho mode on. I will choose 1 on 10. Close the drawing. Like this is the simple drawing I will take to show the dimensions. First one I will take linear, like this point to this point, 120. The length is 120. The next one align, like this point to this point. Division is 80. We already given. And next one angle 130. So this is the basic dimensions of AutoCAD. Like this is the linear, this is align, and this is the angle between two lines. Thank you for everyone. Please like, share and subscribe for CAD NEST YouTube channel.